Assalamualaikum cake holder. So today video is going to be very special for cake holder because my friend cake is moving off like a rocket. In the last previous days, my friend, cake is moving on the moon, my friend. Absolutely, my friends, cake is on the moon. This time you can see your current change occur 11.61%. They're going up. I think this is very big change occur, my friend, and positive. So this is going up like a rocket. Let's get started, my friend. The live price prediction of cake coin to what's going on in the upcoming days. They're going up or they fail us down. And at the end of month, what we do, sell, hold, or buy. I also share my opinion, my friend, in this video. So let's get started. Before I get started, my friends, I think cake holder, my friends, please subscribe every stick channel because this channel guide you, update you every time about cake coin, my friend. So please subscribe and press bell icon for videos notification, my friend. If you can see here, this time the live 7 days chart is open, and the first 7 days, my friends, they're going off like a rocket, very fast demand. You can see here, no dump. Here is only jump and jump completely, my friends. They're slowly moving up, and they are completely go in the moon. The target is a moon, my friend, not just $50. The target is moon, my friend. Our target is $15, but I hope they can hit it easily just in 1 month, my friend. So what you say, can they can hit it in the in upcoming days, my friend? Please tell me just in 1 week. I told you, my friends, they can cross it $45, and just 2 weeks, my friend, they hit $50. I hope if they're moving like this because they completely moving off in the moon, my friend. This time you can see here 47.34% the change occur is in positive. So this is good for all cake holder, my friend, because they're going up. They give you very good profit. If you want to invest, then absolutely this time is good for you to invest. I researched personally, my friend, in the last 7 days, my friend, and therefore I found this decision to this is very good coin, my friend, for all of you. Please, if you want to invest, then absolutely this is good coin. Please invest and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. So thanks for watching, my friends. Hope you understand to upcoming days they're moving up. Please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. They give you, when they're starting failings down, then absolutely you urgently sell it, and they give you very good profit. So thanks for watching, cake holder. Please keep touch with us, subscribe our YouTube channel, and press bell icon for videos notification.